Hi guys, welcome back. Python series for data analysis. In this example, I'm going to showcase you how to sort a data set by using Python. So guys, I'm utilizing here sample code, which is like, by importing the Panda library. First of all, I am using import Panda has PD. Now I'm creating one variable and this variable is storing this data set. Okay. And one more, I'm creating one more variable. I'm calling the pd.data frame method. I'm passing the argument data has there inside this method. Now printing this data frame. So this is the output which we are getting. Okay. This code create a data frame of for data frame with 3 columns: name, age, and city. So basically, it will create a data frame. Inside this data frame, it is representing the and displaying the output. Okay. To sort the data frame by the age column in ascending order. So this is the use case there. First of all, I'm creating a variable, then I'm calling the data frame dot sort. Why? Because the data frame contain the data set. So I'm calling this data frame. Now I'm applying the sort underscore value by equal to age. So then I'm printing the sort. So by default, it is going in ascending order for the age. Okay. Now sorting by single column descending order. Suppose you want to sort the, for example, let me execute this data set there first of all. Now I want to see the data again. So to sort the data from by age in column ascending order. Okay. Now sorting by a single column in descending order. To sort by age, descending order, set ascending equal to false. If you want to make descending order, you just simple sort by equal to age, ascending equal to false. So this is the way you can utilize the function. Okay. Now sort underscore value, it is like one of the function guys. So I'm utilizing by equal to age. I'm providing the column name ascending equal to false. This is the argument which I'm passing inside this method or function. Now sorting by single column in descending order. Same example. I think I have copied. So to sort multiple column, provide the list of by parameter. I want to sort on multiple column by multiple column. So simple, you have to go ahead with the sort value by equal to age name. Sort by age first, then by name with each age group. So this is the output which we are getting. Printed sorted ds. I'm printing this variable and now we got this output. Okay. So guys, basically, before utilizing this, if you want to consider additional in place of sorting, the sort value method by default returning new data frame. Okay. The sort value method by default returning a new data frame to modify the original data frame in place, set in place equal to true. For example, this is the syntax. To modify the original data frame in place, you can put the set place in place equal to true. Okay. So for example, if you want to handle missing value, you can utilize NA position parameter control where missing values NAN appears. Whenever NAN appears, it will, NA function will help to you missing value at the beginning and last by utilizing this one. Now, sort modifies the row order, not the underlying data. Remember this key point, guys. Sort modify the row order, not the underlying data. Okay, always consider the data type of your column when sorting. Example, string and versus number. Before utilizing the sorting rate, we have to consider always strings and number and consider the data type. But by effectively using sort underscore, you can organize your data for better analysis and visualization. So this method will help to you. You can organize your data frame better way and visualization purpose. Now one more example: the sort index method has sorted the data frame by its index, which in this case the name column. For example, I have the name column. With the sort index method, it will going to sort the data frame by its index. Okay. The key points to remember for the sort index, sort the data frame by its index, but you can optionally specify ascending parameter to sort in descending order. Default is ascending. The method return a new data frame by default to modify the original data frame in place. Same like example, sort underscore value, same this is also guys, but it will sort the data frame by its index. Same example I'm using, but different data values. So right now I'm creating one variable I'm setting the data frame, so it is going to display the data. After this one, I'm applying the df.sort index. So this is the output which I'm getting. So sort index means sort the data from bytes index, which is in the name column. Okay. So guys, this is the example which we are going to replace sorting the data set by using Python series. Thank you guys.